Hello, I'm Vezun. I'm a local artist here in Las Vegas. I do 2D artwork, such as painting, also sculpture, and a lot of video. I feel connected to the Wetlands Park. I've been here many times. I've brought people here. I think it's a very special location for where we live. It's very distinct and very surprising to have this little slice of nature right in this urban area. When you're inside the wetlands, it's almost like you're in a different place. If you look around, because I've asked people this when I brought them here, do you feel like you're in Las Vegas? Do you feel like you're 5 minutes away from Las Vegas? You feel like you're in a different place. I created a sculpture out of recycled materials. It's a sculpture of a bird, so I wanted to make something that would fit into the wetlands, so this is why I chose a bird.